This is Investigator Eckerson, and he's going to talk to you, too.
Better days.
I can understand that. I can understand that. What's your name?
Michael.
Michael? Okay. What's going on, Mike? What led us here?
I made a stupid mistake.
What mistake was that?
Chatting with somebody that allegedly was underage.
Okay.
Or told me he was underage.
And she said she was how old? 14?
14, 15, I can't remember the exact age.
And you're how old?
28.
28? Okay. Where do you live, Mike?
Brantford, Florida.
Where's Brantford?
Almost on the west coast.
Oh, okay. Okay. How long did it take you to get over here?
About a little over 2 hours. About
2
2 hours. 20 minutes maybe.
Okay. Okay. So what'd you come over here for?
I met this girl that I've been talking to for probably about a month. I think it was a month. I honestly can't remember how long I've been talking to her.
Okay. Okay. And you were going to do what once you met her?
I told she on the email, she kept asking me if we were going to have sex, and I kind of smelled the setup, so I would put question marks, and basically I put up to the times whatever happens, happens. At first I did, when I first started talking, I did hint around sex, and then I started questioning myself and wondering if this was a setup, so I started kind of trying to get away a little bit from the subject. I thought that this was something like exactly what this was. And
let's stop at, I hinted around about having sex. Okay. This isn't hinting around, dude. Okay?
I did put say it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to sit here and lie there.
No.
And then towards the end of our conversation within the last probably week or so, I kind of had a feeling something like this was going to happen. So.
But you came over here with condoms, thinking that you may
with one condom that I always keep in my wallet. It wasn't just a condom.
Thinking that you may have sex with her anyway, though. I mean, if it wasn't a setup, dude, you were going to have sex with her.
Honestly, no.
Don't. Let me tell you what I've learned in 14 years of law enforcement. When someone starts a conversation off with honestly, they're not being honest, man. Okay? And I'm not here to bust your chops. I'm telling you, what I want is the truth, and I don't want to.
I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't know what would have happened.
You drove 2.5 hours to get here.
Yes.
Okay? With the condom, which you state, and I'll give you the benefit of the doubt on that one. You state that you carry a condom with you all the time. That you've been talking to this girl for almost a month.
Yes.
You've pretty much told her in this what you want to do to her.
Yes.
And you're telling me that you didn't drive over here to have sex with her if it wasn't a setup? Come on, I'm a guy too. Now you don't sit here and piss on my hand and tell me it's raining, okay? You and I both know what the scoop is, okay? You need to get through the denial part of it.
I made a stupid mistake.
You made a stupid mistake.
I've
You
never done
did.
anything like this before in my life.
But you came over here today to have sex with her if it wasn't a setup. You've been talking to this girl. You thought that this was an opportunity.
And honestly, you know, at first I wasn't buying her age thing. She was just bluffing about age and that. But, you know, just from talking to her, the one time I did talk to her on the phone that she called and it got cut off or whatever. She sounded a lot older, and the picture that I had, she looked a lot older than what she was telling me. She was lying about age.
So you thought she was lying about her age?
Yes.
Okay.
And afterwards, you know, the more I talked to her in the way the lingo was going out in the chat, you know, there's almost the same word over and over and over again.
And then you sent her a couple pictures of you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One of your face, one of you.
And one of...
With, is that your daughter?
Yes.
Okay. And then one of your
Yes.
genital region.
Yes.
Okay. let's look at things for face value for a second. She told you she was 14.
Yes.
And you sent her a photograph of your genitals. Okay? And then you want to sit there and tell me that you didn't drive over here to have sex with her. Okay?
If it would have happened, yes.
You would have been agreeable to it
Yes.
if it would have happened.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever had... Let me start. Let me back the truck up. Have you chatted with girls this young before? No? Okay. Have you ever had any sexual contact with a minor?
No, sir.
No? Are you married?
No.
No?
Never been married. I was with my ex for about a little over a year, almost 2 years, and we separated.
Okay. How long ago did you separate?
May of 2005.
How old was she?
21.
Okay. You dating anyone right now?
No.
No? Okay. So you saw this as an opportunity to...
Just meet somebody, hang out, and see what happens.
Okay. And most likely have sex. Okay. Now, if you had gone over here and she had been 14...
If I'm not going to lie to you, sir, if I would have gone over here and she would have been 14, I would not have had sex with her. I will not have sex with her age.
But she told you she was 14.
She told you she was 14
Yes, she did.
here.
Yes, she did.
So basically, and that's another one of those little things I've learned, whenever they say I'm not going to lie to you, you know that the next words out of their mouth are going to be a lie. You know?
So basically you knew she was, or you believed that she was 14 and you were going to come over and have sex with her.
That's pretty much where it was heading.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything in your car that we should know about?
No.
Okay. There was. Did you have a camera?
Yeah.
Is there anything on that camera? Can we take a look?
Yeah.
Okay.
Essentially.
Okay. All right. Where did you send this picture from? Is that your computer?
Yes.
Okay.
I no longer have the picture. My computer crashed.
Yeah. Do you have any pictures on the... When did your computer crash?
A while back. I mean, it was messing up my... Crash was messing up. I deleted the picture.
Okay. Do you have any pictures on your computer of any young girls?
No.
No? Okay.
I have pictures on my computer of girls I met, but none of them underage.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything you can think of? Anything you'd like to, any questions you have for us?
No.
No?
Who does your daughter live with?
My mother.
Her mother? Where does her mother live?
I have no idea. She keeps her address confidential.
So you still have the injunction against you?
Yes.
Do you get visitation with your daughter?
Supervised.
Okay. How often do you get supervised visitation?
It's supposed to be 3 hours weekly. I haven't seen my daughter in 6 months because, like I said, I was in jail from July to September in Polk County for violation of probation.
But where are the supervised visitations set up?
Electric County.
Is it at a who supervises it?
It's a family visitation center. I'm supposed to go on the I think it's the 7th of next month to do my intake so I can start seeing my daughter again.
So why do you have only supervised visitation with your daughter?
Because my ex went, after me and her separated, it was kind of an ugly separation because she was with somebody else. She had met somebody else, so she was with me still, and she moved out of my house with the person. And I think how ugly, I told her I wanted custody of my child, and she had a restraining order, and she told the judge that throughout our relationship that I had pushed her and stuff, so the judge ordered me to take a Patterson intervention program, which I'm enrolled in, and upon my completion of that, the injunction would get dropped and the supervision. I also had to take a parenting class, but I already did that, and supervision, the supervised visitation will be changed to unsupervised.
So has she ever accused you of hurting your daughter?
She said that I did, but I never did.
What did she say that you did to your daughter?
She's trying to think of it. She said that we had what it was. It was we had an argument, at her mom's business, and she was going to take me back to my house so she can drop me off there because we were in her vehicle and my vehicle was at my house, and it was our house, and she was going to take me there, and I grabbed my daughter's car seat because I wanted my daughter to come with us, and I grabbed and when I grabbed it, swung and it hit the side of the they were all in a jewelry store, and it hit the side of the display case. And she said that I did that on purpose. I never did it on purpose. It was an accident. I told her it was an accident. I got yelled at by her mom, everybody there. No, I mean, she never ever called the police on me, ever.
Has she ever accused you, not calling the police, but just accused you of touching your daughter or having any inappropriate sexual contact with your daughter? Because, you know, we can contact Alachua County to get all the records on that. So if that was part of it, then we need
So you haven't seen your daughter in how long?
Since July.
Since July?
I got out of jail in September, and I was trying to do all my classes and everything before I see my daughter so I could see her unsupervised.
And you would chance not seeing your daughter for this?
I just made a stupid mistake. I had it, I'll be honest with you, I had it in my heart the whole time driving over here that something was wrong, that this smelled like what this was, and I turned around, and why I did it, I'll never know.
But what if this wasn't what it was? What if it wasn't a setup? You still had the intentions of going and having sex with a 14-year-old girl?
I just made an error of judgment. I don't know what I was thinking.
Who's your probation officer?
Her name is Valerie Green.
Do you know what her phone number is?
No, I don't know by heart.
And she's in Alachua County?
Yes, it's misdemeanor.
All right, Mike, I think we're about done here.
So what exactly should I ask you? What exactly am I being charged with?
Well, this is what you're being charged with based on if there's nothing found in your car. If there's something found in your car, then there'll be additional charges. But it's attempted lewd or lascivious conduct, lewd or lascivious exhibition, computer pornography, transmission of harmful material to a minor, and attempted contributing to the delinquency of a child.
And those are all felonies, misdemeanors?
They're all felonies except for the last one, and that's a misdemeanor. And what's going to happen is you'll go out to the jail.
And, Michael, you do have a warrant.
For?
We don't know yet. Do you know what it's for?
If it's going to be for anything, it'll probably be out of Gilchrist County, Florida. I was supposed to go to court, and I couldn't make it because I didn't have no way to get there, and I called my lawyer 3 or 4 times, and I never returned my call, and I never made it to court, so I'm sure that's probably what it is.
For failure to appear?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let you know on that one, too.
That's a warrant?
What this is your driver's license is suspended. Let's see, computer check showed that your license was suspended. Your license has been suspended since 2003. So you obviously...
Since 2003?
Yes. Failure to pay traffic fine.
I've
2003,
traffic
failure to
tickets,
pay
and I'm doing
traffic
a class,
fine.
and I'm doing a class right now on a computer, ADI class. So I was doing it to avoid suspension.
Well, it says 1, 2, 3 times it's suspended in 2003 for failure
Yeah,
to
it's been
pay.
suspended before. I'm not going to lie about it.
No, it's saying it's still suspended. It was never reinstated. Saying
Last
2004.
time it was suspended was 6/15/06 for financial responsibility. Did your insurance get canceled?
Okay, that was I was in an accident by myself. I lost control of my vehicle and I hit a tree. And they said I didn't have liability insurance, so they told me I had to get the SR22, which I did, and I showed that to them, and it was supposed to be reinstated.
Okay, well, it was never reinstated.
Well, that's something that they'll have to work out with you in court. That's not something we can work out here. All right?
So you've got the driving while your license is suspended, which is a misdemeanor. It's times 11.
What do you mean?
It was suspended at
It's been 11. It's been
11
suspended
times.
11 times total.
And then obviously whatever the warrant
That means
is.
it's 11 counts of that, or just the one.
It looks like it's charged 11 counts, but that doesn't mean they're going to pick up all 11 counts. They may just charge you. The state attorney's office may just charge you with one. It depends on what they decide to do. Okay? That's, you know, and I'm not telling you that's what they will do. I'm telling you that's what they could do. All right? Let me go and lead him out.
Yes.
All right, man. Go ahead and stand up for me. We're going to go right out this door, okay? We're going to go sit right out here.
And in just a few minutes, you'll be transported to the Flagler County